Okay, so according to this poem, the poet started one journey. He set out for a journey, and it was totally new, right? And in the beginning, he wasn't sure about the journey. He was not sure about the result, means success or failure. So he was all alone. Second stanza, we come to know that when he went there, again, while his stay, that the stay was temporary there, but while his stay, still there was uncertainty about the task that he had chosen or he had taken up. So he wasn't sure. But by the end of the task, while you can say when he finished the task, when he returned, you can say from his journey, that time he realized that he had changed. There was some change, and that change was very positive. There was some, you can say, glow on his face, radiance, and then there was depth. Means now he had the knowledge. Okay, so the theme of this poem can be never be afraid to choose or to take up new journeys. Yes, in the beginning you won't be able to, or you won't be, you can say, sure, certain about something, about your success, but as you would carry on, then definitely you would get the desirable result. Okay? Yes, Anvay. Lioness, he has chosen that place instead of writing that he went to that church for to supervise that work of renovation. Instead of writing that, he had used his creativity and given the name Lioness. Otherwise, he went to that church. It was his new journey. He started that journey. He wasn't sure what would happen or not, and then this. Yes, correct, Abhi. Every new way teaches us something new. Everything, every change, you can say, teaches you. Every change. So never be afraid of the changes. Be bold to face all the changes, and then you will definitely learn something new. Is it okay? So this is what the poet wants to say, that when he returned, he was, you can say, he had knowledge, he had wisdom. If we take that radiance, rare and phantomless, अगर हम इसे दूसरी सेंस में लें, तो you can say that he was enlightened, he had knowledge, wisdom, right, and he had grown. Okay, he became better. So whenever there is any kind of change, ready to accept that, be ready to accept that change, and at the end of that change or at the end of that journey, if you decide to take up a new journey, at the end of that journey you would feel the change, and it's not only you, others also, your friends or relatives, anyone, they would also feel the change in you. Is it okay? You can just imagine, see this, that every year you change your class, 7th, 8th, now 9th, right? After a few months. So that change also changes you. You keep on changing with the change in your age, class, teachers. जो चीजें तुम्हारी लाइफ में change होती हैं, they change you. Okay? So now come to the question answers. Working with the poem, very short question. So we are going to discuss extracts. Wait, Bunny, wait. Then we are going to discuss extracts. So you can write down those questions. First is, in the first stanza, find words that show that it was very cold. Rhyme. You can only write rhyme. Rhyme was on the spray. This is also correct. Rhyme was on the spray or only rhyme. Because rhyme shows frost. Meaning of rhyme is frost. Then it was late evening. It was late evening. Starlight, starlight. Star right. Only one. Go for star right. Next is the traveler. That the traveler was alone. Lonesomeness. Lonesomeness. Correct. It's lonesomeness. Next is something happened in planets. It was. It was which option? A option, improbable, impossible, unforeseeable, unforeseeable. C option, C option, unforeseeable means they were not able to foresee it. वो पहले से नहीं देख सकते थे उसे. Not able to judge, predict. Unforeseeable. They were not able to see. Not even the prophet and the wizard. Now pick out two lines from stanza 2 to justify your answer. Pick out the lines from stanza 2. I think very simple lines. No prophet thus declared, nor did the wisest wizard guess. Yes, that's all. Okay, what would be chance at lands? Then is read the line that implies the following. Means that same meaning. Everyone noticed something and they made guesses, but didn't speak a word. Try to find this line. All marked with nude surmise. Right. All marked with nude surmise means they saw the change. They were trying to guess, but they were silent. Okay. They were silent. So this is the question answers. So we have done. Now stanza wise. Let's discuss the questions stanza wise. First, when I set out for Lioness, 100 miles away, the line was on spray and starlight lit my lonesomeness when I set out for Lioness, 100 miles away. Okay? What you need to do is, you are going to start like this. This you have to do in your fair notebook. Okay? Write down the when I and then the last line miles away. First stanza miles away. जो बुक में क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दिए हैं वो करने की जरूरत नहीं है नोटबुक पे, बट नाउ जो हम डिस्कस करने लगे दैट यू हैव टू डू. देन राइट डाउन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फर्स्ट स्टैंजा का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. So first question is, where did the poet plan to go? Or where was the poet going? Where was the poet going? Lioness, correct. Lioness. Where was the poet going? The poet was going to an imaginative place called Lioness. Okay. Next is, how was the poet feeling while traveling to Lioness? What was his feeling? How did he feel? Yes, how did he feel? Lonesomeness. See, you are not supposed to give one word answers. No one word answers. Frame proper sentence. Yes, hurry up. Answer is correct. Lonesomeness, lonely. That's correct. But now frame proper sentence and write the answer for 2 marks. You need to write the answer for 2 marks. Hurry up. No one? Is it very difficult to frame sentences? Okay, the poet felt lonesomeness in the frost and no one was there with the poet and the place was 100 miles away. Okay. He was feeling lonely while traveling to Lannis. The stars were giving him hope. Okay, stars were, see, you, Tanushka, here you can also write that the stars were also adding, stars were reminding him of his loneliness. Okay, stars were reminding him of his loneliness. There were only stars. That's all. Nobody, no one else. So he was feeling lonely while traveling to Lyoness, and the only partners, you can say the only partner that he could see, that was the starlit sky. And then write down the other meaning also. This means that the poet wasn't sure about the journey he had taken up. Okay, the poet felt that it was very cold. He was feeling lonely as no one was with him, and stars were reminding him of his lonesomeness. Correct. Anmol is saying this was Avni's answer. He felt that this is Anmol's answer. He felt very lonely while traveling to Lioness. He was 100 miles away from his destination, and stars were adding to his loneliness. Very good. Correct. Add this also, dusra meaning, deep meaning, you have to write that also, that he had started new journey and he wasn't sure about the result. He wasn't sure about his journey. Okay. Then which season? अनवी आप बताओ क्या लिखना चाहिए यहाँ पे? How did he feel? How did he feel? You just tell. What should we write? Yes, lonely. Now, instead of writing only lonely, means you are not supposed to write one word answer, na? So add kar do. If the question comes, who accompanied him in his loneliness? Who accompanied him in his loneliness? Accompanied. Who accompanied his, who gave company to the poet, who accompanied him in his loneliness. Who gave him the company? Who gave him that company? Who was the partner? Yes. Starlight, the bright light of stars. Okay, correct. Starlight, starlight, stars, correct. The stars accompanied him in his loneliness. Stars accompanied him in his loneliness. Here you can write they gave him hope. Very good, Akshima. When he was lonely, stars gave him hope and accompanied him. Correct. Stars were giving him hope. They showed him the path. Okay. And this is normal general question, no need to write. In which season did he set out on his journey? In which season? Yes, winter. And how can you say that? How can you say that? Give evidence. How can you say that? Frost all around. Yes. Here in such type of questions, you can also write the line. That is the rhyme was on the spray. Okay, there was frost all around on the trees, the branches of the trees and leaves. Is it okay? He was traveling alone and the stars were giving hope and showed him path to reach the lioness. Correct, correct. Now, next question. Rhyming scheme of the stanza. Write the rhyming scheme of the stanza of the poem. I think poem to be same ही जाएगी. Okay, one more answer. In the evening, when the poet was traveling to cover hundreds of miles, the stars were accompanying him in his loneliness. Correct, Avni. Correct answer. What is the rhyming scheme of? What is the rhyming scheme? What is the rhyming scheme? I hope you know how to find out the rhyming scheme. It's A, B, A, B, A. Find it. Don't you know how to find it? Yes? Don't you know how to find rhyming scheme? A, B, B, C, like that. Just check the last words. Check the last words and give up or assign one alphabet there. Okay, check the last word and assign the alphabet like lioness. Go write down A. उसके आगे A लिखो. Then is away. Away and lioness they don't make any rhyme. इनकी rhyme अलग जा रही है तो away के आगे you write down B. Next word is spray. Away, spray. They make rhyme. तो spray के आगे भी you have to write B. Got it? Lonesomeness. Lioness, away, spray, lonesomeness. Now lioness and lonesomeness. These two rhyme. So you are going to write A again. Yes, Avni. A, B, B. A. Again A. Away, B. Yes, A, B, B. A, B. A, B, B, A, B. A, B, B, A, B. This is the rhyming scheme. What you need to do is हर जो line है उसके end का word देखो. Just check the last word. First word के आगे you have to write assign A. Okay, assign A. अगर ये rhyme next वाले के साथ कर रहा है तो आप दोबारा से A लिखोगे. अगर ये दोनों वर्ड्स आपस में राइम नहीं कर रहे, टोन नहीं बन रही, तो आपने न्यू अल्फाबेट असाइन कर देना है लाइक बी. इज इट ओके? देन चेक करो इसकी और इसकी कोई टोन बनती है, नहीं बनती. इसकी और इसकी जिसके साथ उसकी राइम बनती है आपने वो अल्फाबेट उसे असाइन कर देना है. इन केस थर्ड की भी कोई और टोन जा रही है, कोई और राइम जा रही है, देन असाइन वन मोर अल्फाबेट दैट इज सी. ओके, कईयों की जो राइमिंग स्कीम होती है वो देयर इज नो राइम एक्चुअली, वो ए बी सी डी ई इस तरह में जाती है. इज इट ओके? यस 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 अनवे. lioness lonesomeness. It's lioness lonesomeness. Achima, I think almost same. Second stanza be lioness. There declare lioness. Yes, lioness. Yes. Same rhyming scheme throughout. Same rhyming scheme. Okay. Now next stanza. What would be chance at lioness? I'm going to erase this. I hope you have written. Now second stanza. That is what would be. Yes. What was the poet worried about? Or why was the poet worried? Why was he worried? Why was he worried? Why was the poet worried? Okay, the poet was worried that what could happen there. Bani's answer. Then anyone else? Hurry up, give answer. As he had no idea about what was, okay, what was to be gone. What would happen? So, ठीक है, what would happen? Hurry up, give answer. एक last chance अभी है, we have to do that also. Okay, that poet was not sure about what would happen there. It was unpredictable and he was uncertain about his stay. Correct, Anmol. Correct answer. He was not sure about, he wasn't sure what would happen there. He was worried because he was not sure what was going to happen there. And he was also uncertain. He wasn't sure about his stay and he was not sure about the success of his journey. Okay, he wasn't sure about the success of his journey as it was a completely new and unfamiliar journey for him. Okay, got it? Name of the poem and the poet. Name of the poem and the poet. He was worried that what would happen there in Lioness. He was not sure that whether he would succeed in his task or not. Correct. Unsure about his journey, his stay, STAY stay, you can write anything. Unsure about the result. The name of the poem is When I Set Out for Lioness and written by Thomas Hardy. Check spelling THOMAS, Thomas Hardy. Okay. Explain no prophet, no prophet. Explain these lines. Now, when such type of questions come, when you have to explain the lines, you have to write like this. Above lines are taken from the poem, or the above lines are from the poem When I Set Out for Lioness, written by Thomas Hardy. In the poem, in these lines or through these lines, the poet wants to then explain. Is it okay? In such type of questions, first you need to mention the name of the poet, write about the poem, and then start the explanation. Is it okay? So now write down the answer. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Quickly type your answer. What was he trying to say? What was he trying to say here? Include both meanings, literal and the deep. Okay, above lines are taken from When I Set Out for Lioness, written by Thomas Hardy. The poet wanted to tell that the priest or a wizard cannot imagine or tell what is going to happen in Lioness. Okay, Bunny add other things also, that it just shows that nobody can predict the future, nobody can predict the outcome. So it is good to take up all the challenges. It is better to take up all the challenges, something like that. Is it okay? Addition. Do this addition. Means nobody, not even the prophet, not even that wise wizard was able to guess the outcome of his journey. Okay, they were not able to guess the outcome of his journey. Above lines are written by Thomas Hardy in his poem When I Set Out for Lioness. In these lines, poet tells how his journey to Lioness was totally unsure and so unpredictable that no prophet or wizard, no matter how wise they are, could predict, just like how no one can predict future. Correct, Paramjeet. Avni is saying these lines are taken from the poem When I Set Out for Lioness. Through these lines, the poet Thomas Hardy wants to say that neither a prophet or a priest could declare what would happen in Lioness, and everything was unknown, but still the poet took the challenge. Correct. Above lines are taken from the poem When I Set Out for Lioness, which means no one can predict the result of this journey. Correct. Correct. Means not even the prophet, priest, or the wisest man could predict the outcome of his journey, and they cannot also predict the outcome of our journey. The above lines are taken from the poem When I Set Out for the Lioness, written by Thomas Hardy. In these lines, the poet tells he was not sure what was going to happen at the imaginative place. Neither prophet or wizards were able to predict what would happen there. Correct. Very good. Above lines are taken from the poem When I Set Out for Lioness, written by Thomas Hardy. Prophets could not declare the result of the poet's stay there at Lioness. The wisest wizard could not guess what would happen if poet stayed there. Correct. The outcome of his journey was uncertain, and nobody was able to guess it. And rhyming scheme is same, so we are not going to write that again. Done. If done, just tell so that I can erase. Okay. Last, I don't think we have time. Lines, you can write yourself. Last is when I returned from Lioness with magic in my eyes. This is so. ये खुद ही लिख देना. When I. So question number 1. What change was evident, or what was the change? What change was evident? What change was evident? एक और क्वेश्चन साथ में लिख लो. Explain my radius, where and pen. Some else. My radians, where. Explain this. Yes. Okay, just write down the answers yourself as time is over. So I have to stop. And we'll discuss these two answers on Thursday. The poet's eyes were glowing with wisdom of magic. That was evident. Okay. Correct. That was evident. There was magic in his eyes, and it was evident. The poet also noticed the change, and not only the poet, but also the people around noticed the change when he returned to his town. Okay. Okay, then bye. Take care, Manas. Complete the modules quickly. And there was the magic in his eyes, and that was deep. Okay. Correct. Angel, you also. Okay, bye.